You don't know it's your girl Posh Morris. I'm represent for Dancehall Skilla. Dancehall Skilla have a flavor. Them be not wait for nothing, never waver. Everything have to pay for.
Wagwan people, me there again. Big up, respect, manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright, you see? Alright, my people, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Now, first things first. I'm going to present a piece of a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a dispute or disagreement between neighbors. Now, based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that a female who is one of the neighbors who was involved in the dispute or the disagreement threw 3 branches in the neighbor's yard. I do not know what happened before and after the video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers, but for you to get a good understanding, I'm going to present just piece of the entire video to you. And based on some things that you're about to see in this piece of video, and based on some words that a certain amount of persons used in this video, I would like you to tell me who you think might be in the wrong. I'm going to tell you what I think as well, viewers and subscribers. Here is the piece of video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
I'm going over here. I'm going up here. No one under this. I'm not frightened to see.
You're frightened to see? Huh? Yes. What? I told the little boy, the little grand pick them in a terrace already.
Call the police.
You have to call police.
Call your police.
Huh?
You're not trying to shame.
Huh?
Call your police. Every one of them are go back. The video.
I wonder who the harder. That's what happened.
Yeah, me damn face mash up here.
No wonder much.
Chop off one, sir. Chop off one. Chop off Alima, boss. Chop off Alima.
Come down off of my tree, sir.
Chop off Alima. That one.
Off of my tree.
Chop off one. Chop off one. No, you're not troubling me.
Don't trouble him now. Tell me the honest truth. Don't trouble him. Come down, sir.
Oi, sir. Chop off him there. Chop off him there.
No. Come on.
Huh?
No,
Oi, Mr. No. Seal him there. Come on, me say. Chop it down.
come on, come here. Why? Take off right there, sir.
The next time, don't come up here and come to me yard unless you make me talk to me. Because you right up with this one, brother.
People, neighbors feel live good, you hear? Yeah, neighbors feel live good. You have some neighbors, you know, they get problem, you know. But neighbors feel live good, yeah. Alright, people, so I hope you hear some of the words that the female used in the last part of that video, viewers and subscribers, you know. Yeah, maybe that can give you a good understanding about the situation. Yeah, maybe. But in my point of view, no matter who right from who was wrong, do not throw anything in your neighbor's yard, especially if your neighbor did not agree for you to do so. My best advice is that if those two neighbors cannot come to an agreement, then let the police handle the situation. Or at least one of those neighbors call the police and let the police deal with the whole situation. See? Yeah, don't throw anything at all in the neighbor's yard. You can have right on your side and lose it because of what you're doing now. So my best advice is that you should not throw anything in the neighbor's yard, and if the whole situation can't come to an agreement between you and your neighbor, let the police handle the situation. Alright? Yeah, I saw me look panic, people. But you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. Now, this video shows some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica was arresting or detaining a person who is said to be a taxi operator. Now, this whole situation and the video had been mentioned in a news article. Now, my understanding from the news article is that the video had been recorded within Manchester, Jamaica. And a part of the news article said that taxi operators are threatening to protest over what they claim is harassment by the police in the northeast Manchester town of Christiana, where there is no proper transport center. It is also said that the taxi operator was resisting arrest, viewers and subscribers. And the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show when police officers from within the country of Jamaica used force in order to arrest or detain the person. Now, please bear in mind that the video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. In the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting. So before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe. You can also let me know what you think. Observe.
No traffic in about no traffic. No traffic, me now stop. No traffic, me now stop. Look at everything. Look at everything. No traffic, me now stop. Big man. This area come to here. No traffic, me never stop. No traffic, me never stop. No traffic.
A bumbuck a taximan and police boy at 10 pounds. Taximan 10 to love, love them man. Love them man and go. Taximan 10 to love, no boom, no bumbuck at go. Taximan 10 to love, boy. Taximan 10 to love. We are partners up. We are partners up. A taximan 10 the boy up there so. A boy no go. A boy.
Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to what happened after the police arrested or detained the person, viewers and subscribers. And I also wondered if every word that I read in the news article are actually accurate. However, you can always check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know, if possible. And if needed, I might also do an update about the whole situation. Alright? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think. Now, I got information that a well-known musician and rapper who goes by the name of Coolio died at the age of 59 in United States of America on the 28th of September, the year 2022. It is said that he died in Los Angeles, viewers and subscribers, and I also got unconfirmed information as to what might have caused his death, but I think I'd rather wait until I get confirmed information about an autopsy. You see? Anyway, so it is said that Coolio was found unresponsive at a location in the United States of America, and the necessary authorities was alerted about the whole situation, and at some point he was pronounced dead. In my point of view, Coolio is well known for a song that is titled Gangsta's Paradise by Coolio. Yeah, Gangsta's Paradise. Now, I don't know the words exactly, as I say, but I think I can actually give you some form of understanding by humming and so forth. Like it coming like this. Gangsta's Paradise. You know, some of you might have heard that song or something that sounds like that song. As I say, yeah, but people, so I grew up with that song that is known as Gangsta's Paradise viewers and subscribers. I'm not telling you like this, me. And you know, music industry in America just lost another icon, believe me, because Coolio, well known people. I'll tell you, my people, so big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.